The best time to plant Colorado blue spruce trees. Colorado blue spruce's blue-tinged foliage has made it a popular landscape plant. Colorado blue spruce can live up to 600 years, according to USDA experts. There are cultivated standards large and dwarf cultivars of Colorado blue spruce. There are three main ways to buy Colorado blue spruce: balding burlap VB, container potted, or bare root. Colorado blue spruce is rarely sold bare root unless as bulk seedlings. The type of container, or lack of it in the case of bare root trees, helps determine when to plant the tree. In areas with mild climates, like Southern California, Colorado blue spruce can be planted nearly year-round. Harsh winters and freezing weather limit planting times in certain areas. Use a freeze/frost map like NOAA's to estimate planting times in cold weather areas. Balding burlap trees have diminished root systems. They need to be planted before canopy growth begins. Late winter February through early spring March, April is best. Planting in early fall is acceptable since leaf and shoot growth has slowed. Bare root Colorado blue spruces should be planted while dormant so roots can become established before leaf and shoot growth begins. Late winter through early spring is best depending on your climate and ground thaw date. Bare root spruces can also be planted in very early fall. Potted Colorado blue spruces are either spruces dug up and potted for sale, or spruces that have been entirely container grown. Plant potted spruces in late spring through early fall. Spruces potted in field soil need early spring planting. Planting in spring through early fall is best for spruces grown in containers. Late fall planted Colorado blue spruces will not have time to get established. They are very susceptible to winter injury and dieback.